Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Schneiderilektric Batam Smart Factory as one of our operational factory. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wiranata Suganda. I'm the plant director of sensor plant and electromechanic plant. Glad to welcome you for a virtual tour of our smart factory. We have 3 plants, but today we will show you one of our plants, which is electromechanic plant. In Batam, we started our operations in 1991, and we started our digital transformation journey in 2017 by deploying EcoStructure for industry, platform, and architecture. We continue our transformation until today. And as one of the 11 smart factory of Schneiderilektric. The Smart Factory program is a part of the global transformations of our supply chain. And we have been recognized by the Ministry of Industry in Indonesia as the first lighthouse of Industry 4.0, and as well recognized by the World Economic Forum as a lighthouse along with the other smart factory in France, China, and Mexico. Today you have been hearing about empower workforce. We can show you how we empower our workforce in Batam factory with digital tools so they can make correct decisions and improve the productivity and as well the operational efficiency. This is especially important when your workforce might be inaccessible or have to practice physical distancing. In Batam, we have been able to use our digital performance management tool to achieve 12% increase of our operational efficiency and 5% increase in employee engagement. Today you will see our innovation hub and you will see the product that we manufacture in Batam. And you will understand how we implement the 3-layer of EcoStructure into our operations. And at the factory floor, you will see exactly how we use our EcoStructure solutions to empower our workforce. And please don't forget to come back tomorrow for another tour to understand how we respond with agility in uncertain time. Now, my colleague Budi Sulistiarto, our digital transformation leader, will take you into the innovation hub.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Batam Smart Factory Innovation Hub. Let me introduce myself. My name is Budi Sulistiarto. I am a digital transformations leader. So in Innovation Hub, we have 3 main areas: customer walls, product showcase, and also command center. This Innovation Hub basically is to welcoming our visitors and our customers, but also used by manager for short interval meetings before the COVID-19 situations. But now during COVID-19 situations, all of the meetings done by virtually. In customer wall, basically we will explain about Batam digital transformation journey to our customer and also to explain about EcoStructure solutions. EcoStructure solutions is IoT Schneiderilektric platform, which is EcoStructure is open and interoperable, meaning that able to connect to other solutions as long as have a same protocol. And then EcoStructure solutions already comply to end-to-end cybersecurity. And then we can save the storage on-premise or in the cloud. EcoStructure solutions consist of 3 layers. First layer we call connected products, meaning that the product that able to connect and ready to give the data. For example, like sensors, receivers, buttons, HMI, and so on. The second layer we call edge control, meaning that like interface or middleware to be a bridge between connected product in first layer and third layer. And the last ones in the third layer we call apps analytics and services. Consists of software, applications for analytics and also advisor. I will explain to you the product that we are producing in Batam Smart Factory. These products we are divided become 3 layers following our EcoStructure solutions. First layer is connected product, consists of sensors, relay, contactors, drive, HMI, and so on. In here, our site now is PEM, product electromechanicals. We are producing contactor in second floor. Later on, we will show you in second floor. And then we are producing relay in third floor. We are producing tower light in third floor also. The second layers we call edge control. In Batam Smart Factory, we are producing PLC M241. This product producing in PEL, Plant Electronic. And we have also Schneider Majelis Edge Box. Later on, I will show you this product installed in our machines in second floor. In Batam Smart Factory, we are eating our own food, meaning that we are implementing Schneider solutions, also Aveva solutions. So, this EcoStructure helping us for empowering the workforce and also to achieve and increase our operational efficiency. We have 6 big screens representing of each EcoStructure, but today I just only explain 3 of EcoStructure, which is these solutions can helping us to empowering our workforce and also to improve our operational. We are focusing on machines for maintenance and also machines for maintenance and quality and shop floor management. The solutions we call EcoStructure Machines Advisor. Actually, the solutions designed to our OEM, machine builder or machine maker, because they need to able to monitor and control the machines in each regions, and also they're able to monitor the machines that they sold in each country or each plant also. But in Batam Smart Factory, we are implementing EcoStructure Machine Advisor. The goal is to get the same level performance of the machines, because we are not connected only Batam machines, but also Philippine machines, Thailand machines, India machine, Hyderabad, and another country. We have similar machines compared between Batam PEL and also Philippine machines for PCBA. We have the similar machine also for circuit breaker machines between Batam and also Thailand. So that's why we can monitor each other, and then we can compare which plant or which regions that have better performance. Then later on we can discuss and then study, brainstorming each other to have the same level performance of the machines. And of course, we can achieve or increase our operational efficiency. EcoStructure Machine Advisor have 2 main features, track and monitor. In track, we can see the architecture of the machines. So maintenance manager or maintenance engineering, they can see the architecture of the machines, and then let's say if there is have any changes, we'll have the historical, who changed the architecture compared to the actual. For documentations also available already in EcoStructure Machine Advisor. Just upload the existing soft file to these solutions, and all the data will available in EcoStructure Machine Advisor. Don't worry if you lose your book or maybe your manual book, because all the data already digitized and soft file in EcoStructure Machine Advisor. The second feature is monitoring. As I mentioned previously, we can monitor each other to get the same level performance of the machines. So in here, we can monitor the performance of your machines, temperature, ID, reference, resistance, and so on. We can compare also the performance, energy, and so on. So later on, we will get the same level performance. The next one's AVEVA Insight. This is IoT concept that we implement in Batam Smart Factory. AVEVA Insight provides by AVEVA. In here, as you can see, we monitor critical parameter of the machines, like inductance, temperatures, diff A, resistance, tensions, RPM, and so on. This critical parameter is critical to our process, critical to our product. So that's why we need to monitor all of these parameters. We define the parameter together between quality, maintenance, and also process engineering, because we need to define which parameter that really helpful to reduce our scrap or to increase the quality of the machine itself. Actually, AVEVA Insights for real-time data monitoring and alert system not only implements in Batam Smart Factory, but we are implementing the solutions also in our vendor or supplier. As you can see in here, there I have Batam PEM dashboard, plant electromechanic, Sanwa Batam dashboard, meaning that our supplier for plastic part, Batam PEL dashboard, plant electronic dashboard. Yeah, previously, we know that the product is defect after the supplier send the part to us and then quality check one by one. But with AVEVA Insights, we can monitor early. We can prevent the supplier send the defect product to us, because we integrated, we connect their machines to us, and then we can monitor each parameter of their machines. So that's why we can prevent any defect or abnormality products sent from supplier to Batam Smart Factory. In Batam also, we monitoring the parameter, we setting up the minimum limit and maximum limits. So let's say if the actual value is out of the control limits, we'll immediately send the notification and alert to respective people, maybe to maintenance or to quality. So they will have more reactive to solve the issue before the machines generate or create the defective product. These both applications between Machines Advisor and AVEVA Insights can help empowering the workforce of our maintenance and quality. Previously, maintenance need to take more time to do the analysis, need more time to tracking the performance, need to spend more time also to find the documentations one by one. But now with digital solutions, they will work more easier compared to previous. The next ones, I will explain about shop floor management. This solutions is to empowering our people in shop floor, especially for production operator. So, as you can see in here, everyone, they can monitor the performance of our production operations in everywhere, every time. We can see in here the achievement, part or product achievement compared to the target. We can see or monitor also the KE, coefficient efficiency. And then we can see which area or which line that required to get the support from support functions. So production leader or production supervisor more easier to help the operator to find the solutions. That's all the EcoStructure solutions that I can explain today. Only 3 solutions. So thank you for joining me in Innovation Hub. Later on, I will meet you in shop floor, in second floor, to see the detail how we implement and to see the closer solutions, how each solutions can help Batam Smart Factory to increase the efficiency and also to help empowering the workforce. Thank you very much. Now we are in our second floor of production operations, and in here we are manufacturing contractor products. I will show you how we utilize of EcoStructure solutions and how we enjoy the benefit of EcoStructure solution. So please follow me. Now we are in coil line area. I will show you one of solutions that we implement in here. As you know that production operations need to have the visibility data, especially of the performance of the operations. So previously, I will show you, this is the tool that we have to monitor our performance of production operations. Operator need to fill in by manually how many product defect, how many good product, and then operator also need to define what is the waste, what is the barrier that they are facing during operations, and also operator need to fill in by manually the product that they are producing, and the end of the shift, operator need to calculate the efficiency by manual. And now all of this one already provides in one tool that we call LDS, Lean Digitization System Solutions, provided by APEVA. So we have all visibility in one solution. In here you can see e-Enden, e-performance, e-work order management, e-Kanban, e-work instruction, and also e-quality. So in what you can see in here, there have a good quantity of product, bad quantity of the product. You can see in here also what is the barrier, what is the downtime that they are facing during operation. Also, in work order management, you can see the product reference in here. Means that this is the product that need to produce by this day. And for e-Enden is the tool to call the support functions. Let's say if there is have abnormality or maybe maintenance issue, quality issue, and we need to get the support from the support functions, just click the icon and then will automatically send the notification through Telegram. And then maintenance technicians or maybe quality inspector will immediately come to the certain area because they able to see where is the issue is coming from and then what is the clue of the issue. With this tool, with these solutions, we can get 13% of operational efficiency. I will show you another solutions that we implement in Batam. Please follow me. Virtual reality for industrialization. The solutions used by maintenance and also quality and process people to validate the designs of the machines. As you know that in Batam, we have a lot of automation project. So that's why we need to validate the design of the machines before we manufacture the machine itself. Previously, we need to go to our vendor to validate the design. But now, with this virtual reality, we can do validations within virtual. With this virtual reality solutions, we can saving a lot of costs, especially the travel costs and also the validation costs, because we don't need to go directly to our vendor site. We can do validations by virtually in Batam. Another solutions that we have used by the maintenance. How we utilize the applications, please follow me. This is smart glass remote assistant. Basically used by maintenance to do the two-way communications between internal and also expertise in outside of our company. As you know, that's a lot of automations in Batam manufactured by vendor outside of Indonesia. So that's why if we have an issue and then we cannot solve, we need to call them to come to Batam to solve the issue. But with this smart glass remote assistance, we can do communications by direct video call, and then we can solve the issue by maintenance internal with the guidance from external. So with this application also we can saving costs because we no need to invite them to go to Batam, and then we can scale up also the technicians because the technician can do by themselves with the guidance from external. Previously we have an issue with our soldering machine, and then the expert is coming from Thailand. When we call them, invite them to come to Batam, they have difficulties because the passport is expired and visa not ready. So that's why we try to find the solutions how we can solve our machine. And then we choose smart glass remote assistant, one of solutions that we can use to guide us to solve the issue in Batam. Okay, we will go to the next solutions. The next solutions that we implement in Batam is about IoT, Internet of Things. This Internet of Things is to monitor the real-time data monitoring and alert system. As you know that this machines is coil winding machines, very critical to contractor product. So that's why we need to monitor the critical process of the machine itself. Previously, we don't have any data to monitor the real time of parameter. So that's why a lot of product defect generated by machine itself. But now we have IoT solutions that we call AVEVA Insight, provided by AVEVA also. With these applications, we can monitor all the critical parameter of the machines, and then we can setting up the minimum limit and maximum limit control. Let's say if the actual value is out of the control limit, we'll automatically send the alert and notifications to the respective viewer. Maintenance or quality will come immediately to the machines to see what is the problem before machine generate the defect product. How IoT works in these machines, I will show you. Can we take the sensor? Yeah. We install the sensor in this machine. Not only one sensor, but we install several sensors in this machine, and also some critical machine that we have in Batam. So this is, for example, Schneider wireless temperature sensor. Very easy to install. Just plug and play in the metal devices. And now in these machines, we install this temperature sensor to our motor to monitor the temperature of the motor itself. And then the sensor will send signal to receiver. Then from receiver, will send signal to the IoT box. In this IoT box, we create the programmings and coding and also some calculations. After that, upload the data into the cloud. This IoT system following the concept of ecostructure. As you know that our ecostructure is have 3 layers. Sensor and receiver is part of the first layer that we call connected product. IoT box is part of the second layer that we call edge control. And Aveva Insight is part of the third layer that we call apps analytics and services. After we able to monitor all the critical parameter, and then we can prevent before the product generate product defect, we can save about 40% of scrap cost reduction. I will show you another applications that used by maintenance also. These solutions we call AOA, Augmented Operator Advisor. The solutions used by maintenance, the concept is augmented, just points to machines, and then we'll show you all the data requirements to do the troubleshooting. For the detail, you can see in here. How maintenance use and utilize these solutions, just point the iPad to the machines, and then freeze, will come out the pop-up that we call point of interest. We can open one by one point of interest. Yeah. This is the sample. We can open the cabinet door without contact to the cabinet door itself. So we can open by augmented. We can open the detail. Yeah, we can see in here manual user of the component inside of the cabinet. So we don't need to go to workshops and then bring out the book, because all of the things are already provided by these solutions. We can open another one, electrical diagram. So this is electrical diagram only for the cabinet itself. So we don't need to open page by page, one by one, to find out the electrical diagram, because this electrical diagram is already pointed to certain cabinet, so specific to certain cabinet. We can see another one, live data from the machines. So we can see also live data from the machines without any contact to the machine itself. All of the data is augmented reality by these solutions. You can see the value of the testings, and you can see in here different colors. Orange color is meaning minor error. Red color is meaning major error. So in here meaning that there is have a minor error. We can open. Yeah, this is the procedure. So the last one, we have a procedure to prevent any human error, because in this procedure there is have step by step, one by one, how to solve the issue. So for example, like a newcomer or new technicians, no need to worry, they cannot solve the issue, because all the step is already provided by this AOA solutions. So with these solutions, we can reduce maintenance repair time. We can increase the machine uptime. We can reduce maintenance repair time about 17% compared to the last year. Yeah. That's all some solutions that we implement in Batam. For your information, we have a lot of other applications that we implement in Batam, but we cannot show to you all of the applications. We just share to you some applications, major applications that we implement in Batam. With all of the applications, we can enjoy the benefits about 13% of operational efficiency. We can get about 40% of scrap reductions, and especially for the maintenance, we can reduce about 17% of maintenance repair time. So that's all from me. Thank you for joining Batam Smart Factory Tour. Don't forget, tomorrow we will have another session. Thank you very much.